What stands out to me about this school is its diversity in the number of different programs that we provide. Different careers that come from our school are things like a commercial or a private pilot, country club manager, style consulting, sports dietitians, the next CEO of a nonprofit organization.
Kind of have this wide gamut, but then we have kind of a commonality, and that commonality is that each of our programs offers students a really nice opportunity to have an immersive educational experience where they're working with professionals in their field.
So you build so many connections through these internships that I didn't think were useful until now, because I did find my career after school. I have a job lined up for when I graduate, and I found that through my internship.
So we have a lot of undergraduate and master's related research topics and projects that students can work on. Things that we've done are work with the student athletes. So, our school can collaborate with athletics a lot of the time and provide nutrition and exercise science, background knowledge, information, and research to help develop and increase their sport performance.
I think the number one reason why I would tell a student to come to our school is because of the faculty and the people that are here. You're going to be supported by your classmates. You're going to probably make some really great friends in your classes, people that are doing some great things, and then you're going to be supported by faculty that care deeply about your success.
I was meeting people that were graduating, that were going off into careers, and being able to ask them, what was your favorite part of this major? What class am I really going to need to focus on?
Students from our school absolutely go out and make a difference. They make a difference in our communities. They make a difference in especially the rural communities as well. And they make a difference because they work with people. We focus on people first, and either if that's customer service, having clients and patients, increasing health and wellness, across our communities is really important to us and to our students.